Hello students, today we are going to learn what is internet. We are also going to learn about the history of internet. Along with it, we will see some of the protocols which are being used on the internet. These days, we are using internet for almost all different tasks. Internet basically means connecting computers to any other computer in the world. Internet is also known as network of networks, connecting computers anywhere in the world. This is the main reason why we need internet, so that we can connect different computers from different parts of the world. Internet is also known as the highway of information. If information is residing in a remote machine, then we can use internet to get that information. Internet is one big global network. It covers the whole globe. The internet has one job. It is going to transfer information from one place to another. There are various different uses of internet. Let us have a look at few of these. First one, sending emails. Travel booking. If we are traveling, then we use internet for booking our tickets. Buying and selling of goods online. E-commerce is the most used feature of internet. Video conferencing and etc. After the pandemic, video conferencing, online classes, all these have become the new normal. Apart from these, there are many different advantages of internet. We are using internet from day to night. History of internet. Now, how did internet start? The first prototype of internet was ARPANET. It was developed in the year somewhere in 1960s. Later on, scientists Robert Kahn and Vintage Cerf developed Tcp Ip. ARPANET adopted Tcp Ip on January 1st, 1983, and this is the beginning of internet. In 1990, a computer scientist named Tim Berners-Lee, he invented WWW, that is World Wide Web. It gave a recognizable form to the online world. Now, whenever we are using internet, there are certain protocols which are used. Protocols are nothing but the rules which are used for communication between the computer on a network. For example, whenever we are communicating, we follow certain language, we follow certain rules to communicate, and hence whenever two machines or two computers are communicating on the network, they follow rules. These rules are known as protocols. So a protocol is basically a set of rules which govern communication between computers on the network. There are various different protocols which are used. The first protocol and the most basic one is Tcp Ip Protocol. It stands for Transmission Control and Internet Protocol. This protocol breaks down the message into packets and sends them to network. Next is DNS. DNS stands for Domain Name System. Now, whenever we are using websites, they have certain names. We can identify a website with the help of name. For example, Wikipedia, Gmail, Yahoo, Bing. But on the internet, on the network, these names are not identified. These websites, they are identified by a numeric value. This numeric value is the IP address. And here comes domain name systems. Domain name systems are used to translate the IP addresses to names and names to IP addresses. So hence, domain name system translate addresses, which is nothing but the IP address, into human understandable form. That is domain name. The next one is DHCP. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. This protocol can automatically assign internet addresses to computers and users. So whenever we are using internet, our computer or the user will get an IP address. And this work is done by DHCP protocol. Next one is FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. This protocol is used for transferring and manipulating different files on the internet. The next one is HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This is an internet-based protocol for sending and receiving web pages. Next one, IMAP. IMAP stands for Internet Message Access Protocol. This protocol is used for email services. This protocol maintains a copy of emails on the server. Next is IRC. It stands for Internet Relay Chat. This protocol is used for internet chatting and other communication. Whenever we are chatting on internet, whenever we are logged into Gmail and we are chatting to our friends, basically we are using IRC type of protocol. Next one, POP3. It stands for Post Office Protocol version 3. This protocol is also used for receiving emails from different mail servers. However, this will not save a copy on the server. So, the IMAP and POP3, both of them are used for mails, but IMAP saves a copy and POP3 does not save a copy. Next one, SMTP. This is also used for mailing services. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. This protocol is used for sending email messages to server on the internet. There are 3 different protocols which are used for mailing services. So this is all about protocols, a short description about internet and its history. Thank you, students.